What's going on, repair gang? In today's video I just want to show you guys this mower lift here that I got from a used garage sale. I love garage sales, by the way. It's Power Lift HD lawnmower lift. If I see a lift on Amazon for sale, I'm gonna go ahead and link it down below. But I'm gonna show you the good thing about this lift and what it's good for and how I use it to fix this Husky LT 4200, which you guys already seen 2 videos on before. But I just want to make a video on the lift itself and show you guys like how good it is. I do recommend once you get your mower on the lift, you go ahead and push the parking brake in. That way it doesn't try to roll on you. And then once you got it on, all you got to do, pump it up. And as you pump it up, there is a lock here. And I'm going to show you that in just a second. But it's a safety. I'm going to go pretty much all the way to the top here. So now, even if the pump was to fail, this will simulate the pump failing. The hydraulics failed, and even if you were under it, this caught. And it has one on both sides. So even if the hydraulics do fail, it does have some safety. You should still use a jack stand or 2 where you feel it's safe. But now, with it lifted, you're able to get up under here, take off your pulley easier, remove your deck easier. And how I used it was, these blades under here, they were so hard to spin, and now you see they're spinning freely. I was able to get up under there and spray some PB Blaster. I sprayed it in all these crevices here, here, and here. And just with the lift, it makes working on these things a whole lot easier. I mean, look how high it is up. So if you do have to get up under there, when you're changing PTOs and springs under here in the back area, you just can't beat having it lifted. I don't know, guys. Whatever you guys think, let me know in the comments below if you guys recommend a lift or not. I also have an electronic one, which I can show too. And I will show you guys how to get it down and off the lift. But 500 pound capacity. I think, oh no, I believe this thing can lift ATVs, riding lawnmowers, a lot of things, and it's come in handy so many times in my small engine repair business. So yeah, if I find a few links, I'll link a few of these down below, but I just want to show you guys the properties of a lift. Let's go ahead and show you guys how to lower it if you have one. And anytime you're using something that's holding a death machine that can kill you, imagine if you're under here and it failed. That'd straight decapitate you. I mean, it's pretty gruesome. A lot of pinch points on this, but with the safety, it helps. As I see, you simulated. So now that we did that, pump it up once, kick this down, and release it. Just like that. I always like to tighten it back up just so it's ready to go. And then you pull it off, and that's what it is. So as always, ladies and gentlemen, thank you guys so much for watching. If you have recommendations for the next video, let me know down below. Have a good day.